Hey guys, it's Hatters here. As you can see, we have here part of a pedestal fan. Start doing some scrapping on the fly. Show all you scrappers out there how it's done. Now we take clippers and we clip just there. Cable ties. Right. Right, now as you can see, you got a screw here, guys, and you got another screw in there. Right, now here we have nuts. And if we switch them around the other end, screw in there. Right, and another one in there. And if you guys can see inside there, we have our copper motor. Now this bit here, generally, I don't do much with. There's usually a bit of wire inside, guys. Normally, I just throw this bit here away and just get the motor out, unwind the copper, and there you go. Catch you on the next one, guys.